So today we are going to Herceg-Novi with Daddy. So you remember Daddy, guys, right? Si Daddy ang ating driver, sweet lover. Kasi pagda-drive niya kami, guys, going to Herceg-Novi. By the way, guys, today is the festival in Herceg-Novi. What you call, Daddy?
Festival Mimosa. Festival of the trees of mimosa.
It's like blooming trees.
Cherry blossom.
Yeah, parang cherry blossom festival siguro yan, guys. Hindi ko alam, pero yun ang aalamin natin. Kaya pupunta tayo doon sa ating festival. At the same time, imimit natin si Madam, ang aming friend from Macedonia. So, see you there, guys. So guys, sabi ni... What is it, Daddy? You will show them?
Yes.
So Daddy, we're gonna show you
the trees of mimosa later when coming in Herceg-Novi. They show the trees of mimosa. Beautiful yellow trees.
Beautiful yellow trees. Daddy will show you the beautiful trees of mimosa. Festival daw yan, guys. The yellow trees. Parang siguro yung cherry blossom,
Fragrance tree.
Parang yata yung ano tawag dito? Cherry Blossom Festival nila. Sa Cherry Blossom Pink, sa kanila Yellow Tree Mimosa Festival. So, yep, later.
It's a fragrance tree.
Philosophy Hakuna Matata. Nakalang ito.
Hakuna Matata.
Okay, later, guys. Oh, first time I see black and white Dalmatian cow. Ayan na, guys. The first stop is Budva. Uy, mainit na kasi. Hi guys! So nag-stop over muna kami dito sa aming favorite restaurant sa Budva. If you're craving for Korean food, andito lang sila sa Budva, guys. And si Daddy. Kain muna kami dito ng brunch. So, yep. Meron silang cat dito, guys. Kangkang! Sobrang lalaki ng mga cats nila dito, guys. Again, how to use? Again. Bravo! Ayan na, guys. Alam na ni Daddy ano dito, chopstick. Bravo, Daddy. Bravo. Ayan na, guys, naubos na. Hindi ko na nabidyohan kasi nagutom talaga kami. Naubos ni Daddy. You eat a lot, Daddy. Ayan si Kaku, guys. Pinangalanan na namin siyang Kaku. Kaku si. Wala, deadma lang siya. Guys, ayun na. Tapos na kaming kumain dito sa Budva. So, papunta na kami sa Herceg-Novi. So, yep. I'm gonna update you later. Bye! guys, papunta na tayong Herceg-Novi kaso traffic. So guys, papunta pala tayo sa ferry kasi sasakay pala tayo ng ferry papunta sa Herceg-Novi. Hindi ko naman alam. Akala ko ano lang natin i-drive lang natin. So from Tibat, right, Adi? From Tibat. So from Tibat, magpe-ferry tayo papuntang Herceg-Novi. So ayun. Pala yung runway ng guys, airport ng Tibat. Ayan kanina may dalawang dalawang eroplanong dumating, nakakaloka. May flight pala dito. Lalo na pag summer guys, ang busy dito talaga sa Tibat. Ayan. So we are on the way to Herceg-Novi. Very traffic. Ayan na guys, ang kanilang airport. Tibat Airport. Tropicana Twister. Papuntang ferry. Guys, sasakay tayo ng barge papuntang Croatia. Gwapo lagi ni si Dudong. Sabi si Dudong. Ayan, party tickets. Saba bayot, nag-vlog ko. Buang. Ayan guys. Oh my god. Ito pala. Ayan, magdunggo na ang barge. Kita po. How many minutes is this, Daddy, going to Herceg-Novi? Ayan na. Ay, kagwapo ba niya, oy? Ayan na, guys. Go out. Hi, guys. So, dito na tayo sa may, kanilang barge. So, akyat tayo dito sa taas para makita natin ang kanilang Exenaline. Andun pala ang Herceg-Novi guys sa kabila. Ayan doon pala tayo pupunta. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayun yung isang barge. Kararating lang. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan na guys. Alis na kami. Tingnan nyo guys. Super ganda. Nag-ferry din siguro yun sila madam, no? So, sa kabila guys, ayan na siya. Pineri lang natin. Yan na pala yung Herceg-Novi. Ayan siya guys. The barge nila. They call it here ferry. Yan tayo pupunta. Mabilis lang. Ayun guys. Ferry. Sakay kami ng ferry guys. Papuntang Herceg-Novi. So guys, yung let's go.
Soccer card.
So, ang ferry guys is 4 euro. Yung sasakyan nyo ay 4 euro. Balik na sa car. Ayun na, kasi nga, dumating na agad. Yun lang yun. Ang bilis. Mabilis ang pacing lang. Madaming tao kasi nga, it's weekend and it's festival. So, ayun guys. Laban lang. Balik na kami sa aming car. See you! So guys, ito bumalik na kami sa aming car. So via ferry pala siya guys, para mabilis. From Tibat Ferry to Herceg-Novi. Ang pamasahe guys ng sasakyan dito ay 200 lamang po. 200 lang. 200. 4 euro. Equivalent to mga 250 pesos lang sa Pinas. Isa atin, ang ferry sa atin. You know, Daddy, how much the ferry in my...
For cars, 4 euro. For people, free.
For cars in my country, you know how much?
How?
20 euro.
Ooh, this...
Yeah. For the people?
Free.
No, 5 euro.
Ooh. Why?
I don't know why. So guys, isipin nyo, sa amin sa Mindanao, yung bayad ng isang car, sabi ng nanay ko, nasa mga 800, 700, 800, 900, parang ganun, sa isang car. Dito, sa Europe, ang isang car is just 4 euro. Tapos, ang tao libre. Libre sila ng sakay. Sa atin, it's not libre. It's like 300 to be, I don't know, how much, magkano na ngayon? 200? Grabe na talaga guys sa Pilipinas. Dito, it's free for the people, for the car. It's just 4 euro. Magkano lang sa atin ang 4 euro guys? Magkano lang? Ang ganda pa ng barge nila guys. My God, Philippines. My God. Ayan na siya guys. Palabas na kami ng ferry. Godmother. Yan. And welcome to Herceg-Novi. Ayan siya guys. So take note. Ang bilis niya lang guys. Parang, how many minutes, Daddy? 5-6 minutes. Parang, parang tinulak lang yung ano. Tapos ayun na. Nakarating na agad. So wala, nakakatuwa lang guys. Kasi nga, libre pala pag tao ang sasakay. Magbabayad lang yung mga cars. So diba? Ang saya-saya. Ayan na guys. Digi-digi-ding-ding. Digi-digi-ding. Digi-digi-ding-ding. Digi-digi-ding.
Akala mo talaga ito na yung Gobena seats?
Hindi pa rin si Gobena. Herceg-Novi. Ayan na siya guys. Nakalabas na kami ng ferry. Ayan na siya guys. Ang ganda pala dito. It's so nice here, no? Very nice. Tignan yung dagat guys. Later dito tayo sasakay. Pabalik. Ah, we don't go here later, Daddy?
Yes.
Other way pala tayo guys. In-experience lang ni Daddy ang ano. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Montenegro is a very, very, very nice country. For me, it's perfect. Like the scenery, the beach, the mountains, the snows, the wineries, the churches, the people, everything. Talaga siya guys. As in. Gusto ko talaga dito. Parang peaceful ang mind ko pag dito ako tumira. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Basta wala lang bagyo, no? Kasi pag bagyo dito, lagpas pa ng tubig dito.
Lalagpas pa.
Right, Daddy? When it's storm, right? The water come here?
Bonazza, the local name for water is Bonazza. Without Bonazza.
Yan siya, guys. So, papunta na tayo dun sa may Festival of the Festivities. Ay, ayan, double dates sila, guys. Wala kayong double dates. Manahimik kayo. Ayun na siya, guys. So guys, pupunta na tayo ngayon kay Madam kasi doon natin siya kitain kasi hindi pa siya nag-send ng location. But anyways, we'll just wait. Nag-wait lang ako para i-meet natin siya doon. So, ayan na. Nag-message na. Wait a minute. So guys, it's Tropicana Twister. Totoo ang chismis. Kasi nga, festival ng inangit. So, datok na ako! Oh my God! Very anto-king-king. So, yep. See you later. Ang bahay nila, guys, may cherry blossom. Ayan na. Diyos ko, hindi na talaga kami hindi na nag-move. Nakakaloka. Ayan na, guys. 5 minutes more. We go to St. Tropez ng Inangit. Kasi doon namin imimit ang aming madam. Yeah, right direction. Ayun na, guys. Ang daming mimosa. What they do for the flowers, Daddy?
Mimosa.
What they gonna do? They put to their house? Yan na, guys, bababa na tayo papunta sa St. Tropez. St. Tropez, St. Tropez, St. Tropez, St. Tropez, St. Tropez, Pez. Napunta sila boulevard dito. This is really nice, Daddy. Okay, kagwapo po ka lang. Ciao! Ayan na, guys. Oh, Daddy, you wanna park here?
Yes, better. You go, I'll leave here.
Okay. 6 minutes walk. It's okay. Ayan na, guys. Andito na tayo sa mga dagat. Ito pala yung mimosa. Awak daw, B. Ayan na, guys. Dito daw sila, madam. Sa St. Tropez. Dito.
Dapat pag-hersing, no?
Ayan na, oh. Ha? Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Vlog? No.
Vlog.
No. No camera.
Ang ganda. Oh my God, guys. Ayan. Naglakad tayo. Naglakad-lakad daw sila, madam.
Pwede.
Ano daw? St. Tropez daw. Ayan, guys. Kasi ang festival nila dito ay ang yung mimosa.
Marami.
May toilet pa sila, oh.
Timbang-timbang.
Ayan, oh.
Pasok na ijuday kadaani.
Vibes, no?
Dili mo ta ato, diba?
Siguro mo ta ato, diba?
Dili gata ato nangaligo, ha?
Asa? Kadaplin, uy. Ang timailhan ni mo, bayot, katong dako nga. Summer ta diri pohon. Fairness, madaming tao, guys. Restorante man eh, oh. Asan ang St. Tropez? Excuse me, where is St. Tropez? There?
100 meters.
Okay, thank you. 100 meters. Tingnan nyo, guys, naman. Makita nyo pa talaga yung mountains na may Pwede pala yung car dito eh. Sige na. Ciao. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang ganda. For what purposes? Nuno ako man imong pangutan noon. Wala man ko kamaong. Buang leka.
Violet cake ka.
Ayan na guys. Ang ganda. As in. Pictorial na sila.
Para unsa man nga.
Tana si madam ha. Ni madam ang pangutan na ayaw ako. Kayo di ko taga diri.
Lamay sir.
Para asa ka na.
Ginabayan natin.
Siyempre kaya nga festival. Kaysa ato aday di ba magtagay man.
Anong pagtiniguan ba? Kakila.
Videoke sila guys. I love. Ayan, sabi. I love Baushishi. Nakabulot ako guys. Saan centerpiece? Kana yata siya. Madam! Ayun na ang aming madam. Ayun na guys. Apartmani centerpiece.
Znači, super riba, eto, hvala lijepa živi sa vama, ovo upamtite dobro, sa vama u današnjem programu muzičko bili su moj sin Igor, moja čerka Ines koja je pobjegla i moja malenkost Majdo Baka Planja, živi mi.
Thank you, madam.
Do you know?
Madam?
Do you know where you go up?
Yeah, the car is there.
She went down?
Yeah,
Okay.
I told them go down because.
The boy?
Yeah.
She shouldn't. No, this is before. This is. I wrote you the name. I don't remember. It's there are some small towns, but we are going to walk now to Herceg-Novi, and there they found one like in Tivat.
Tivat?
You know, in Tivat, the city, there is one.
Be careful.
Ready?
Please be careful.
1, 2. One more. Waki.
Now come together. We do selfie.
Wait a minute, madam. 1, 2, and.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Come, we do the selfie.
The selfie.
To this side. Come. We do the selfie. Come all. The name of the bar we were yesterday?
I don't remember.
Hi! See you, so pretty, madam. What is this, madam? Bachichuk. I become town Chinese.
But I thought that you're going to stay longer. Yeah, I already miss you. Do you know about your friends? They came to me.
So nice, madam. Because
We were so, my friend was really great because we were very tired yesterday. And we were on the flower. And the flower means pretty and, you know, and fresh and summer and love and everything. So that's why they do, and they do like fresh style. They make some concerts. They do this flower. They also giving some free trees and some free food. It's like a festival. It's very nice. And it is,
so that's a tree, madam.
it is long. We stay only 3 days. It is until March. The festival?
Yeah, it's a long festival. Few weeks festival.
We were drinking and
Concert.
we were very, but you know, we were supposed to be with 2 cars, bigger group, but then tourists and Lydia, my friend. Say, I will miss this one time we celebrate birthday. I go and, you know, how they're going to return us because we were with 1 car. What are we going to do? But they didn't ask us. They said, I will come around 2 months.
Sobrang ganda dito, guys.
So when you, 2 days ago, yeah. I hope we have good news and we have stuff and we have peace and we have documents.
Nice.
Madam, hope you like that.
Yes, I'm shaking.
So guys, ayun lang, mabilis lang. Ito pala yun, guys. Very famous flower, mimosa. Mimosa flower. Ang ganda, di ba, guys? Dito lang daw to nakikita si mimosa. It's very unique flower. Ayun, nakita. Wala si daddy? So we go now, guys. Guys, ito pala yung mimosa. Nakapulot ako. Hindi ako nakakuha sa trees, pero ayun, pauwi na kami, guys. We're going back to Podgorica. Go, go, go. Ayun, guys. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Minute lang talaga namin si Madam, guys, ng very, very light. But for sure, there's this summertime, balik tayo dito. Hi guys! So ayun, tapos na naming i-meet si Madam. Yun lang talaga yung purpose namin, guys. I-meet lang namin si Madam, ibigay namin yung Valentine gift namin sa kanya. Tsaka at the same time, sneak peek na rin sa ganda ng Hair Signovi. Actually, hindi pa yun yung center, guys. Don't worry because this summer, babalik tayo dito. We will gonna spend some days here in summertime. Hopefully. So, yep. So, pauwi na kami with Zadzi. Sleepy Zadzi. Sleepy siya, guys. Pauwi na kami papuntang Podgorica. So, ewan ko kung saan kami dadan. Are we going to different way, Daddy?
Yes.
Yeah, different way. So, no more ferry?
No more.
Okay. So, no more ferry, guys. So, land trip, whole land trip lang talaga tayo ngayon. Wala nang sasakay sa ferry. So, ayun. So, see you later. Alligator. At least, diba? Nag-enjoy po siya sa himself. Na, guys. na guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe! Uy. Subscribe guys, subscribe for more travels. Mwah. Thank you!